Oh, creatives, I've got a big tip for you today. I want you to replace two words that pound your brain like birds trying to peck through your roof with two other words. You're going to replace what if with even if. It's not what if I fail, which is vague and horrifying. It's even if I did fail, I can just pick myself up and keep going. It's not, what if nobody likes that thing? Even if nobody I know likes it, I know someone out there will. And if I like it, then we're already in the right path and I can keep making things until I figure out whatever my voice is. What if is dangerous. What if is a vague, bottomless pit that doesn't have any specific meaning. You can tumble into what if over and over and over again and freeze yourself up forever. Even if is powerful because it requires you to finish it. Even if X equals Y. It is not a thing that stands by itself. It has definition, boundaries. Even if this novel doesn't work, I can write another. Even if that song didn't work, I can write another one. Even if is powerful. What if will slow you down. Even if can help you get back up again once you've fallen. And this month, NaNoWriMo, when we're all trying to create in our medium every single day, that can really mess you up. But if you say, even if instead, even if I didn't make my word count, even if I missed yesterday, I can start again today. I can write now. Nothing is going to stop me. That's power. Scratch out what if. Do even if instead. You've got this, creative. Sit down with me now and let's make something new.